fresh new F case at the Dollar Tree. So it's already open because they scanned one of the cars, and I actually got a pretty good hookup because they just marked it like 24 cars, which ended up being about $30 because they're $1.25 each. So yeah, I'm gonna open this. It's a F case, a little bit older, but I'm gonna unbox it. Pretty much my first unboxing of a actual case. I never really actually got a full case before. And well, let's see, the F case. It's the, I think it's the Honda. That's little Civic. The Super. So it's 72 pieces, $30. All right, let me just. This table's kind of small, so I'm gonna maybe put it like sideways a little bit to be able to open it up. Well, I have a lot of these models, but I mean, the box was pretty cheap. Check it out. There's already a good one right there on the top. La Troca. So I already have like 3 of them. The bigger Bel Air. And the Volkswagen Beetle in green. It's really cool. I can actually like, maybe not sell them, but I could probably make some trades for some of these. I don't know. Got the Ram, the Dodge Charger. That's a really good one. This one's a really good one. The Trueno. So yeah, but yeah, it's pretty crazy because I only paid about, well, yeah, it was like around $30, and yeah, it was a brand new box. But it is the F case, and which one's the super treasure hunt for the F case? Is it the? I think it was a Honda, right? Check it out. I got the Corvette, the Barbie car. It's a lot that I already have, but it's actually really cool. Got the Mercedes-Benz A-Class, the Nissan the prototype. I actually only had one of those, and I opened it, so I got a sealed one. The Lolux, the Mighty K in pink. I only had one of these, and I'm actually gonna open one too. So yeah, and oh look, there's 2 Lolux. It's a pretty cool cast. Pretty new cast, I guess. And yeah, it's it was pretty trippy though, cause like, alright, I'm not charging, but like 24, and the each car, I think it's like 125 right now at the Dollar Tree, so it ended up being about, I think, over $30 actually, like 32. But compared to a $72, I mean, $32 is like less than half off. So check it out. Which one's the treasure hunt for the F case? Maybe I should have checked on my list first. But I don't think I have that one. I think it was that Jeep. Check it out. There's a Ducati, fantasy car, another Beetle. Ooh, baby, yes. Can always use these 83 Silverados. Oh, look, I actually don't even have this one. Oh, I think this is the super. Oh yeah, this would have been the super treasure hunt in gold. But this is the regular version in yellow, and it's actually really nice too. I do have the first one, the white one. Yeah, this is the yellow one. Which is pretty cool because I didn't even have this car. I think even like the regular version is pretty hard to find. It's a Civic Type R, little hatchback. It's got some nice headlights. It's got a red interior. Yeah, it's pretty sick. Actually really did want this one. Put this one on the side. I think I had ever done an unboxing like this. I've never got a whole full box of Hot Wheels all at once. And for less than half off, it's actually pretty cool. Another Nissan C Proto. This one's Silverado. Can always use a lot of those. These two is already pretty cool. Need to check for the regular treasure hunt then. Which I think it's the, ooh, looks some good models too. Mazda Repo. This one I do like a lot. This one, the Chevy Bel Air Gasser. Let's use some more of those. And the Ford Sierra Cosworth in blue. Which I think I only had one of these. It's pretty sick. Another one of the Ram 1500 Rebel. This one I didn't have. New for 2022. It's like a little Lego piece. Lego car. It's pretty cool colors. I didn't have this one. It's kind of like a Bronco, right? Breaking Trails. Yeah, it kind of looks like it's based off of a Bronco, an old Bronco. That's pretty cool. This one's always really nice. The Honda S2000. Oh, here it is. This one's the regular treasure hunt for the F case. And the Supra would have been the gold Honda Civic, but I just got the regular version, which is also really cool. See the logo right there in the back. The logo on the car, oh, it's right here on the side. Yeah, this is really nice. It's a really cool treasure hunt. I got another Silverado. And the Greenwood Corvette. This one, I think I had one and I had opened it, so now I have a sealed one. Yeah, I think the Corvette would have been the one for the C case, right? I think so, or the D case. I'm not sure, but this one's really nice too. The Corvette, the Lowrider. This one is always really nice. La Troca in gold. There's actually a second one, right? I think the fourth one. I mean the third one. Yeah, there's 3 of these. It's also really cool. A lot of cool models. Alright, that was somebody knocking on my door. So let's go check real quick. The rest of these are yeah, pretty much. I got the Aston Martin one. This is what is this, fantasy car? Oh yeah, Cosmic Coupe. But this one is actually, I think I have like the first car that I saw. It's something actually my nephews from Tijuana collect, the car that I saw. So I don't know if they have this one. I need to check on that. But it's a pretty cool cast. Let's see what else. Oh, the Miata. I really like that Miata. And the F1. These are pretty cool. Yeah, these are nice. I'm just gonna have a whole lot of repeats. Like another Lane Lowrider. This Baja Bone Shaker, I think I had it like once too. I'm gonna start actually buying like I start opening the bigger cask because I did get at the Dollar Tree some of those boxes. the little cases. This is the Boxzilla. What is that, like those Barbie cars? Those little Jeeps for kids. And let's see. Oh, this one's really nice. 57 Chevy. I mean, the 57. The 83 Chevy Silverado. Tuned. It's really cool. The Lethal Diesel. I had this one when I opened it, so keep that carded. Another Lolux. It's like the third one, I think. Yeah, I was thinking about buying these cases. I mean, good thing I didn't really spend too much. 57 Chevy in red. 71 Dodge Charger. A McLaren F1. Another one. I think there's already like 2 of these. And I'm pretty sure I already had this 57 Chevy. Oh, no, 55 Chevy. 57 Chevy. Ooh, look, another 55 Chevy. And that's the thing about buying these boxes, though. You get a lot of repeats. Plus, I already pretty much had most of these, so. But this one's really cool. The Silvia. That one's always really nice. And yeah, I already opened the Silvia, so maybe I'll try to do like some trading or something. Some of these. Porsche 935 in black. Another Lethal Diesel. And the black bone shaker. That one's really cool. I do like that bone shaker. Another, this is already like the third one of these. The F1. Black. Well, these, since I have a lot of repeats, I'll open a lot of casts. Another Trueno and the 70 Chevelle Super Sport Wagon. This one's really cool. The Trueno too. Yeah, I don't even know where I'm gonna put all these. I'll just end up putting them back in the box. Most of these are just a lot of repeats. This one's the rig, the Renan rig. Another Cosmic Coupe. It's already the second one. And the 85 Honda City Turbo. That one's really cool in blue. Did open one of those up already. I think treasure hunts, there should always be one in each case, but I think it's only one, right? So the Bubble-Matic. It's my first Bubble-Matic, I guess. The MK1 and the Nash. Yeah, I don't really get a lot of different ones. Most of these I already had. Like the Trueno, the 935, the F1. Oh, this is like the 4th F1 already. Yeah, good thing I didn't pay full price. And the last ones are the Skull Crusher, blue. The Batman Arkham Asylum, that's really cool. And the Cockney Cab 2 and the UK flag. I'm gonna put a lot of those back in here, so. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Like, that was like pretty much my first, I guess, unboxing of those boxes. I mean, I had never bought like a full box before. That was pretty cool. I don't think I would actually pay full price for it, because there was a lot of repeats. Not like the F1, I got it like 4 times. This one I think like 3 times. This one 2. So there's a lot of repeats, but still a lot of good models though. The Nissan C-Proto. I mean, it was a little bit older box too. I did get 2 of these 83 Silverados. This one's really cool. I think the main one was this one. I didn't have the 99 Honda Civic Type R in yellow. The red interior. Yeah, this one's really sick. You know what I actually did finish up all the like the little plastic cases, so I'm gonna have to order more. But yeah, that's pretty crazy that they put a lot of repeats. Like, well, I mean, like in each case there probably isn't like a lot of different models, but yeah, there was just like way too many repeats. But for the price that I paid for it, like, can't complain. I'm actually gonna open this one. I got like 3 of these, so let's see it up close. The Lane Lowrider. This one I really did like, but I didn't like the engine sticking out. I mean, other than that, like, the car is actually pretty cool. And it does have like a little slant. It's like higher from the front. But yeah, like, I don't know why they added this exposed motor. This doesn't really feel like a lowrider with that. Like that, it looks cool. And then like the fake ass engine. They should have at least made it chrome. It does have a chrome base. It's really cool. I do like this one. And that's pretty much like the main ones that I did get like 2 of these. I was hoping I'd get at least, I mean, not, well, of course the Supercharger, but just the regular version is really cool. I was hoping there'd be at least 2 or 3 in there, but there was only 1. But yeah, there's a lot of repeats here. A lot of ones that I already had. And I mean, it was more of a in the moment kind of thing, I guess. This is something I didn't have, the Braking Trails. I don't really collect these, but that's pretty cool for me for 2022. Carne Asada too. Carne Asada. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Just a little $30 box unboxing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. These are pretty much the ones that I got repeated a lot. La Troca, the Barbie car, Trueno 4 times, the Lolux, the F1 4 times, and the Silverado I got it twice. This one too, I got it twice. So I'm just gonna open one of these up. 1500 Rebel. I know I even have one of these already, but I'm gonna start opening up a lot of the bigger casts. That's pretty nice. It's a pretty nice color. It's like a burgundy color. It says Rebel right there on the back. It's got the red line wheels, big sunroof. You can see the interior, 4 doors. Yeah, this is pretty cool. It says Ram right there on the front. The back. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna try to do some trades. Maybe give a lot of these out to my nephews too. But yeah, it's all good though. I mean, not every case has a super treasure hunt, but did have the regular treasure hunt. And this one, man, the hatchback. I didn't even have this one, just the regular one. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.